Hey guys, what's up? Himanshu here, and today we are gonna check out the Logitech K380 wireless keyboard. It seems to be a very good keyboard if you want a laptop-like typing experience. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, the main feature of this keyboard is this multi-device functionality, and you can connect it with three devices at same time. And if we talk about the price, the MRP is written here is 3195, but I got a very good deal on Amazon and got it for rupees 2700 only. And this is not a sponsored video from Logitech. I personally bought this keyboard and will give you an honest review about it. So let's open it up and check the keyboard. Wow, this looks really good. I ordered the white color variant and I'm very happy about it. You can also buy it in dark gray or pink color. And other than this, there is just an user manual in the box. This keyboard is really looking good and also it is not much heavy. You can easily carry it in your bag while traveling without thinking about the weight. And usually we get square keys in all the keyboards, but here we get the circular ones, which should not be a problem while typing, but we'll check that in few minutes. Let's take it out first from this polythene cover. The plastic used here is very good and the key touch is also giving a good feel. Overall, the keyboard is very thin and compact. The height of the keys are just like a laptop keyboard, so the key travel will be same too, and the gap between the keys are also similar to a laptop keyboard, which is also good. Then on the left we have on off switch with a LED indicator. It shows green light when turned on. Also there are three more LED indicators on the top with device selector buttons. And as you can see that this keyboard is very thin from the front and a little thick on the back, which makes it feel like an angled keyboard or we can say raised from the back. Many people feel it more comfortable like this. Next, taking a look at function keys. Along with the device selector buttons, we get many features here like opening browser homepage, switching between apps, back button, music and volume control, and also we have keys named as options and command for Mac users too. Here on the back, we get the battery compartment where they already gave two AA size batteries. Let's take out this yellow plastic to get it started. But before connecting it, let me show you the size comparison with my 15.6-inch laptop full-size keyboard. So as you can see, the keys take almost same space as the laptop keyboard. It is looking smaller because it does not have a numpad. Other than that, the size is pretty similar and also the key travel is almost the same as the laptop keyboard. Next, to pair it, you need to hold down the F1 key and then under the Bluetooth settings, select the keyboard, enter the pin code, and it is connected now. And here I am typing on the new keyboard, getting very similar experience like the laptop keyboard. These keys are a little bit smaller, or maybe it's just the circular shape which is making me feel that they are smaller. Don't know. Let me show you one more example showing the multi-device functionality. Now I have paired the second laptop using the F2 key and here I am typing on the first device and then I can just press the F2 key and switch to the second device seamlessly. It takes a second to switch over to other device, but whatever you type in that second to comes to the device, so no issues there. One little minus point I felt here is that the arrow keys are very small, even smaller than the function keys. That may become issue for some users, but rest everything is good. So the conclusion is that if you have a habit of typing on a laptop and the big bulky keyboards make you feel uncomfortable, then yes, this keyboard is one of the best choice for you. But if you are looking for a mechanical keyboard, you just wasted your time watching this video. But hey, if you still liked it, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if I helped you making the decision about this keyboard. And also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tech videos like this. See you in the next one.